Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert row in Excel. Let's get started. There are times when you need to add new data to an existing table. It's a common need and Excel provides a nifty function to insert empty rows. Excel offers multiple ways to do this, but we'll focus on the quickest and simplest method today. Let's say you need to insert a row right below row 5. Where you want to add information for a new team member. How can you do it? Locate the vertical bar on your left, displaying row numbers. Click on the row just below number 5, which is row 6. Now right-click and choose Insert. Voila! Excel has added an empty row right below row 5, exactly as you wanted. Here's a handy tip for you. If you need to add multiple rows simultaneously, you don't have to do it one by one. Imagine you want to insert 3 empty rows below row 8. Here's the trick. As you know, Excel adds extra rows above your selection. So click one row down from where you want to insert the rows. In this case, select row 9. Next, click and hold the left mouse button and drag it 3 rows down. You'll always see the number of selected rows in a small box below your cursor, so there's no need to count them manually. This way, you tell Excel how many empty rows to add. Then right-click on the selected rows and choose Insert. By following these steps, you can insert as many rows as you need. If you want to learn more about managing rows in Excel, such as how to hide or unhide them, be sure to check out our next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.